Hello fellow YouTubers, welcome to yet another episode of G-Tech. In the last episode, we installed temperature-controlled fans, and we were trying to figure out how to get 12-volt DC to the thermostat module. Instead of trying to shunt feed it off one of the 86-volt power supply rails using a drop resistor and a Zener diode, I purchased and received in the mail a 12-volt micro regulator board. Let me explain what I did in the video. But first, if you like these videos, hit the like button and subscribe. Well, let's get started.
Warning: do not attempt this project unless you are experienced with electrical circuits. Serious injury, property damage, and even death can occur with this wire.
I found a 12-volt AC feed coming from the transformer winding feeding the Cylon meter boards. I cut the wires near the transformer, right where I planned to mount the regulator. Then I soldered them together so I could secure them under the screw terminals on the regulator board. I mounted the regulator using insulated standoffs for both safety and durability. On the right side of the regulator board, I connected the 12-volt AC input. On the left, I connected the 12-volt DC output, black and red wires, which are routed to the thermostat board. To keep things clean, I removed the old tie wraps and installed new ones to organize the wiring. Here's a look at the amp chassis with the wiring cleaned up and a close-up of the control board, where everything is now properly routed and secured. I set the thermostat to 23.9 degrees Celsius. In the video, you'll see it rise from 23.8 to 23.9, and then you'll hear the relay click and the fans turn on. I later set the thermostat permanently to 55 degrees Celsius or 130 degrees Fahrenheit. I also replaced the original red LEDs in the Cylon meter with green, yellow, and red ones to give a clearer view of the output levels. Next, I tested the amp into a 4 ohm load using a pair of 15-inch subs and a tone generator set to 50 Hz. I gradually increased the signal from 0 up to 400 watts. You'll hear a bit of audio clipping above a couple hundred watts. That's just the camera mic being overdriven. Here's a sped up version of that same test, this time without audio, to show how the meter LEDs respond quickly to varying output, switching between green, yellow, and red. I finished things off by installing a new black faceplate, replacing the old silver one for a cleaner, more modern look. And here's a 360-degree view of the finished amp. What started as a simple repair turned into a full upgrade. A new control board, upgraded speaker terminals, a new 50-amp bridge rectifier with a bridge snubber kit, and much larger power supply capacitors, nearly tripling the capacitance with a common bus bar connected between them. I also added thermostat-controlled fans, swapped the Cylon meter LEDs for multicolor ones, and finished it off with a sleek new black faceplate. I forgot to mention that after I repaired the amplifier, we replaced all the output transistors with matched new pairs, and we also replaced all the emitter resistors on those outputs. That should about finish it for this series on the repair and upgrade of the Phase Linear 400 Series 2 amplifier. We'll finish the series off in my next episode where I adjust, test, and look at the performance of that amplifier. Thank you for watching. And again, if you like these episodes, hit the like button and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next video. It's a wrap.